Grazie mille.
Grazie.
Buona giornata.
Buona giornata.
So we arrived in Mondello. We stopped for a coffee in a bar so we could use the toilets. And now we are going up to Capo Gallo so we can do a little hike. Should take us half an hour to get there. I hope we don't have to climb all the way up. It's a huge mountain up there.
We are starting our hiking journey. They are saying should be half an hour. Well, let's see. It's very hot now.
We just went through the entrance of the hiking pass. It was €1 each. We didn't know, but it's very worth it. So as we said, it's €1 if you enter like just on your own walking, and it's €5 the entrance for the cars. The water is lovely, but we'll have to wait for that. First we walk, and after at the end, before going back home, we are gonna dip in. The mountains are humongous. We always need to have a little outdoor getaway when we travel, and this is quite good, isn't it, David?
It is. We are small.
Yeah, we feel very small. Finally, for once, David feels small as well. Looks like it's just us here walking to reach the lighthouse tower of Capo Gallo. Probably we are the only stupid walking with this heat. No, no one is coming. So this is the first light tower, probably the only one. And now we didn't reach the end, but the coast is turning just a bit more, and we made it. It's second lighthouse. Not sure about this, but I think we will find out. Resting a bit under the shade of this rock. Not bad. Hello, little boy. We reached the end apparently. There is quite a big stone that is making a lot of shade. It's looking great now.
Yeah.
Sure, sorry.
Let me show you. Look at the view.
Reached the end of Capo Gallo. Now we're taking a rewarding dip in the nice sea.
Oh, yeah.
We did the hike and now we are here just next to some rocks. So we have a bit of shade and we don't need an umbrella. We went a few times inside the water and probably we will go one more time. We will probably try to see how the beach is at Mondello because we are still at the reserve. That's why we have some rocks around. Instead of the Mondello beach you have a sand, private beach and public beach.
I am here at the sea. The water is very nice and pristine. Want to be here all day.